Okay, welcome back, guys. So we're going to look for keywords coming from SEO analytics. And there are several ways to actually do this. The first way is you go into Google and you're going to write bento lunch box. As you can see, whenever you type your main keywords, it gives you a list of all the keywords, all the main keywords. These are high search volume keywords. Now, as you go inside, if you choose one of these, bento lunch box kids, then again, it gives you several different options. And if you keep on choosing each one of them, it will make you further. It will give you a very nice descriptive way of getting your keywords. Now, you can only do bento lunch. It will tell you what it is. You can just do bento and then it will tell you bento box, not Bentley cars, I wish. But bento lunch box kids, boxes, ideas, box for adults. So it gives you a lot of options over here. Okay, that's number one way. The second way you can do is by using this platform. This is a platform from Google. It's a Google keyword tool, and it's mainly used. I mean, if you subscribe for them, I don't know how much they charge, but they're quite expensive. I don't use this. The the softwares that I use, I'm going to share with you those also. It's expensive because it's done by Google and it does a lot more, but for Amazon, we don't need all that stuff. But here it tells you which keywords you can use for Amazon, eBay, everything else. So we just look at bento lunch box, and whichever country you're launching, you can choose from here and then see what information you're getting. Okay, so while that one is doing that, okay, it's almost there. So it's going to give you the highest search volume. Now, Amazon, Helium, a lot of these are going to give you very similar information. But the reason why I like to use third-party softwares like Google and the other ones is because sometimes you get a lot more than what Amazon really has. And Amazon has a capacity of between 55 to 70,000 keywords in their vault for each product. Whereas if you go in Google, Google, my God, it has amazing words of information. I mean, I've seen some keywords. Look, I'm on Google a lot of time, and we also do website management. So Google can have a history of maybe, for this particular product, Google may have an history of thousands of keywords, okay? So there's one way you can go and target keywords that probably somebody on Amazon doesn't have, and you're launching a keyword that Amazon doesn't have in their storage. Guess what happens? If somebody types in that exact same keyword, you get organic sales inside out. Now, if you target that keyword from PPC and there's no relevant results for those keywords, and believe me, there are a lot of keywords that Amazon doesn't have. And if through PPC somebody's doing a customer search term and that keyword phrase does not exist, guess what? Your PPC cost is under 1%, like pennies. It's going to cost you like a penny to get a $30, $40, $100 sale. I mean, it is amazing the way thing works, okay? So this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is going through spyview.com. Now, I like SpyView because it's cost friendly, okay? But other than that, since we do website management, I like SEMrush also. SEMrush is my first choice. then the second choice I would go is Spy View. Now here you can put lunch box bento, and you can go through it. It's going to give you a whole, it is going to give you a lot of information. I mean, you see, bento lunchbox, and you have to log in to see what are the other ones. Okay, so see, bento box 53,600 keywords. I don't know if Amazon has so many out there, but that is a lot of information. Now, if you ever decide you want to sell it on through your website or places like that, this is the best place to come. And the last one that I really like a lot is this one, SEMrush. You can come here on SEMrush and you can look for keyword, you can look for a URL, you can check out a website, see, well, it's not giving me, I gotta sign in. I have some issues with my sign in, but you can do a lot over here. You wanna see what your competitor is doing. You wanna see what your competitor is targeting, which keywords they're targeting, which keywords they're ranking on Google. You know, you get all this information from this website, and it is amazing. So it is not a, it's not a, you know, mom pop store where you have to go to your other store to see what the competition is selling. Online marketing today, the digital marketing is amazing. You put your competitor's URL over there, and that's it. You'll get to know everything that your competition is doing. Google, which keywords they're targeting. There is a lot of valuable information here, and if they're doing really good organically ranking on so many keywords on Google and Amazon, you can take those keywords and target in your own listings. And if you do PPC through there, you can make a lot of money, my friends. You can make a lot of money in this business. Now, when you are doing a listing, okay, now I'm going to show you something that works also really good when it comes to SEO targeting. You see the questions that says, where can I buy bento lunchbox? Have you seen any Amazon listing asking this question in the bullet points? Nobody. Where can I buy Lynn? So let's go. Let's try this out. And I want to show you some magic over here. So we're going to do this. Here. And ask this question. Okay. And let's look at the relevancy of how much. See, for the whole list, we got 7,000. Look at this one. Only 56. And look at these sellers over here. How many people are actually targeting that particular keyword phrase? You got 4 here, okay? 4. There's 1 over there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See? Not much competition at all. There's like nothing over there. You see? So that's a profitable keyword phrase to target. So maybe 10 or 12 people. Okay. Let's look at other options. What is a bento lunchbox? If you take this one and you're going to type this in Amazon. So, you know, there are so many benefits of using a particular kind of keyword phrase where there's hardly no competition. And if there's no competition and you have this listed under your listing, you can make amazing money with this, with these techniques. So oh, my system is slow today. So, anyways, so, you know, if you go under Google and you type this question, you see bento lunchbox kids, about 1,240,000 search limit. Now, if I ask the question, what is bento box? 755 million. That's a lot of results for the one keyword. And this is what we really want. You see, in Amazon, there is no search volume for those keywords. But on Google, it is like a million times more, 1.5 million times more. So that is the difference between Amazon and Google. When you take your business outside of Amazon, when you take it outside and you get that information, those relevancy of keywords from the outside platforms, and you put those in your bullet points, you know, you're going to see the differences. There's a big difference between the two industries. Okay, let me reload this. So I would highly recommend you guys to look into SEMrush. It's only $35 a month. Of course, they have bigger plans, but to start something with very simple, it is very, very good. Now, if there was, while that page is loading, okay. So if there was, let's say, a bento box company, let's find a bento box company. So bentgo.com. So if we go here, bentgo.com, that's one of the companies that is doing these bento boxes. If we go here, we're going to see how many. Now this is Google ranking, so they're really huge, you know, they're really huge. 10,154 keywords. The estimated monthly hits they get on nearly 8,000 clicks. The estimate SEO value is 606,000 clicks, you know. Pages 1 to 10, almost there, ranking between 11 to 16. So they got some really good traffic going on. Just fell off means the keywords that just fell off, they need to re-optimize them, redirect them over there. Okay. So now if I sign in to this website, it can make me go through, you know, it can give me a lot of information about this particular, but I'm just going to show you the basics. This is the most valuable keywords they have. This is the keywords that they're newly ranked for. So there's a lot of information that you can get, and you can get exactly where they're ranking, which keywords they're targeting, what's their bestseller keywords. You can target them through Google. You can come on your website, you can target there. You can come onto your Amazon store, and there's a lot of things you can do, you know. So this is the benefit of going outside the Amazon world and getting this information. Okay, so I hope you guys understand, and we're going to move to our next, let me see one more thing. Let me see if I can get the list of those. Okay, so yes, so I wanted to say this particular. What is a bento lunchbox? It's a very common question. We go in to Amazon and we ask it. Let's see what the results come. The last one was 56. This one came at 385. Still no competition whatsoever. And I'm sure that these guys who are sponsoring such keywords, they are getting results from all Google AdWords in order to go. Now, this particular does not even have so many sponsor ASINs. See, this is 1. This is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically nothing, you know, and this is where you are going to start making money if you're going to target the right kind of keywords. All right, guys. So I hope you guys learned something. Sorry it took so long. Problems with the internet, I guess. All right, guys. So we're going to move on to the next chapter, which is how to negative keywords using exact match. See you soon. Bye.